What's up guys, so today's video is because I solder a lot in the projects and things are kind of a mess, so I want to make a plate that organizes it, and so I'm going to go 3D design that and print it out and hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so this is just going to show you kind of the main steps of designing and building the soldering iron organizer plate. Sweet, so here's the finished design of that. Okay, and there we go. Okay, and that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it. If you want the file, let me know. I'll try to figure out a way how to drop it in the comments or the description. But I'll see you guys in the next video.